Welcome to the Hibiscus House here in Utila, Honduras. This is a 3-bed, 3-bath home with 2 beds and 2 baths on the top floor in the main house and 1 bed and 1 bath below in a ground floor completely separate apartment. Let's enter the top floor now. Entering into the U-shaped tiled kitchen and looking over to the dining living area and a beautiful Honduran pine loft ceiling. You have everything you need here just to move in. All the bedding, furniture, and accessories are included, except for some personal items. There's a little desk right here that you can do some work. A big fireplace, which adds a beautiful ambiance, and plenty of space for entertaining. Entering into the primary bedroom with a custom-made wooden wardrobe. You have a beautiful bathroom with double glass vessel sinks and a stand-up shower. And each bedroom has access to the deck. Not only is there a lounge area, but a dining area outside overlooking the ocean, in addition to the inside dining room. The main house is a little over 1,000 square feet. In addition, there's about 570 square feet of deck, which is accessible through 2 sets of glass sliding doors from the main living area and from each bedroom. This is the lounge area outside the north side bedroom, overlooking the amazing ocean and all of the colors of the reef, and doorstep snorkeling right outside there. And this is the lounge area and dining area right outside the primary bedroom. Surrounded by coconut palms, do you think that you could get a better view than this? By the way, one of these sofas is a pull-out sofa bed. Let's check out the guest bathroom, which is all tiled in and a beautiful glass vessel sink. Now heading over to the guest bedroom, which is equally as spacious as the primary bedroom, with the custom-made Honduran wood wardrobe. Awesome lounge area for the guest bedroom or for anybody staying in the house, and you've got your hammock overlooking the beautiful extension of the Mesoamerican Barrier Reef. This area is called the Dolphin Run, and it is aptly named because you guessed it, you can see dolphins right from your deck. Let's not stop there. There is a gorgeous 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment downstairs that has everything a guest could need to make their stay perfectly enjoyable. Just take a look at this incredible view from the patio. The kitchen is finished with granite countertops and Honduran custom-made pine cabinets. There's a cozy sitting area with a TV and a heatless fireplace giving off an amazing ambiance. In this apartment, you've got 4 sets of sliding glass doors to access the incredible patio overlooking the ocean. This home has everything to enjoy the outdoor space as well. Look at this great little lounge area, replete with a breakfast table. You can access the patio from those glass doors right from the bedroom, which has an incredible ensuite bath. And I'll just leave you staring out at the ocean, imagining yourself sitting in these lounge chairs. this could be you living in Utila, snorkeling every day, staring out at the reef. Or you could be on the reef and taking these photos. These photos are courtesy of your future neighbor, Mark. This home is located so conveniently close to town, set amongst the most delicious, sweet coconut palms. Imagine yourself gazing over the endless Caribbean Ocean. Okay, maybe not endless, because right across the ocean from this view, about 26 miles away, you can see the mainland mountains on a clear day and Pico Bonito, the highest point in Honduras. Thanks so much for taking the tour of the Hibiscus House with me, which has 1,900 square feet and an additional 700 square feet in decks and patios to enjoy this view. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at Remax Sunshine here in Utila, Honduras. We'd be delighted to help you.